In his biography of Alexander Hamilton, Ron Chernow famously wrote that Hamilton always had to fight the residual sadness of the driven man. The notion that ambition often conceals a deep-seated emotional void has resonated with many, including myself. It seems that highly ambitious individuals are driven by an insatiable desire to fill the void left by childhood traumas that have marked them forever. Historians and psychologists have long been intrigued by the prevalence of early parental loss among influential historical figures, describing them as eminent orphans. Prominent figures like George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Bill Clinton, and Barack Obama all lost a parent at a young age, either to death or abandonment. This unique shared experience has left many to ponder the impact of such losses on the development of ambitious personalities. Elon Musk, the renowned entrepreneur and visionary, can also be placed within the realm of eminent orphans. His tumultuous childhood in South Africa was marked by severe physical and verbal abuse from a father who persistently belittled him. Walter Isaacson's biography of Musk sheds light on the harrowing details of his upbringing, painting a picture of a lonely and friendless child growing up in a harsh environment, where survival often depended on either bullying or being bullied. It is a background that could potentially instill a sense of existential insecurity, leading some individuals down a path of lifelong self-doubt, while propelling others into a relentless pursuit of success to prove their worth and claim love, significance, and safety. However, Musk's extraordinary ambitions seems to be fueled by more than just a response to childhood trauma. Amidst the darkness of his early years, Musk found solace in the realms of science fiction, computer games, and comics, and it appears that he never truly departed from that imaginative world. In this fantastical realm, Musk seems to have been captivated by a narrative, just as fervently as a devout believer is captivated by a sacred text. Many of us construct a narrative about our lives, and we tend to live within the confines of that story. The ability to tell a coherent story about oneself is vital for understanding one's identity. Our next steps are often determined by the narrative we believe we are a part of. As Jean-Paul Sartre, the philosopher, astutely noted, a man is always a teller of tales. We live our lives surrounded by stories, our own and those of others, and we view everything that happens through the lens of those narratives, striving to live our lives as though we are narrating a story. The story that Elon Musk has woven for himself is one of the oldest and most enduring in human civilization. It revolves around a male hero of uncertain origins emerging from obscurity to save a doomed people, through acts of courage and daring. This narrative is as ancient as the tales of Moses, Jesus, Superman, John Wayne westerns, Luke Skywalker, Harry Potter, and The Lord of the Rings. Isaacson's biography presents Musk's self-image as a savior, a hero destined to rescue humanity through his enterprises. SpaceX is committed to making humans a multi-planetary species, offering an escape to Mars should a catastrophic event befall Earth. Tesla's mission is to steer humanity away from a hydrocarbon-based economy and towards a sustainable future. Musk's latest venture, XAI, is dedicated to preventing artificial intelligence from seizing control of the world, while Neuralink, a company that implants technology into human brains, aims to restore sight to the blind and enable the paralyzed to walk. It's difficult to envision a more heroic and savior-like role. Peter Thiel, a prominent figure in Silicon Valley, commented on Musk's extraordinary vision, stating that people in the tech industry don't typically express such superheroic ideals. Musk's vision seems so grandiose that it verges on the epic and mythic. Those who embody such a mythic consciousness aren't simply seeking conventional success. They're striving to remain faithful to a timeless narrative pattern. A person deeply embedded within this mythic consciousness often views the world through a different lens, one that aligns with their own mythic reality. Musk's college friend, who initially dismissed his dreams of building a rocket to Mars as mere fantasies, later found himself astonished when attending a SpaceX board meeting, where people seriously discussed plans to build a city on Mars. To them, this seemed entirely normal. Individuals entrapped in their own mythic reality can easily distort actuality, fabricate stories, and even lie. They may possess a grandiose sense of being indispensable to the human species. Musk's perpetual crisis mentality, which occasionally leads him to treat those around him poorly, often serves as a rationalization for his actions. Those who have encountered Musk often describe him as a character playing a role rather than a fully rounded human being. One of Isaacson's sources suggests that Musk has retained a childlike, almost stunted side. Perhaps it is because he remains committed to a lifelong adventure story. In life, there are instances where imagination holds as much importance as intelligence. Musk's unwavering attachment to the hero myth seems to make him fearless and, at times, a formidable figure. The mythic mind can be self-involved, struggling to regard others as equally important. Isaacson's portrayal of Musk in his biography paints a picture of a man embarking on epic quests, simultaneously cast as a hero and a villain. Elon Musk, a man who embodies the spirit of a hero on a mythical journey, continues to captivate our collective imagination with his boundless ambition, his unwavering belief in his ability to shape the future, and his complex, larger-than-life persona. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like.